I can't comment on TikTok. So if you're facing a problem with comments on TikTok, then let's first open up our TikTok application. And then if you're facing a problem while commenting on someone's post, then it means you're commenting too fast. Like if you have recently commented a lot on others' posts, then TikTok may have freezed your account. Like it may have stopped you from commenting on others' posts for 24 hours. So the first way is you have to wait for 24 hours, and after waiting, you may comment after that. But if that is not the case, then you can go to the bottom right corner on your profile, and then you can go to the upper right corner which has the 3 lines, and then go for settings and privacy. And if you scroll down, here you will have report a problem. Simply tap on that, and then you can go for follow, likes and comments. You will have comment option. Tap on comment and scroll down and tap on other, and here tap on need more help, which is on the bottom left side, and then it says to tell us your feedback, right? So here you have to write that I'm not being able to comment on TikTok, so please help me with that. And then if you have some screenshots, you can also upload those screenshots, and then you can tap on submit, which is on the middle of your screen, and after submitting, TikTok will take action on that. TikTok will guide you with some steps. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.